I'm on my way to get knee surgery right now. Being in a country that has amazing public transportation, it feels a little weird to go to the train station to go get knee surgery. You can see the difference though between this one and that one. Ugh. And look at it, it's a really nice day out today. Perfect day to get your leg cut into. My chariot awaits. Oh man, I should have took the elevator. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's do that instead. I got a little turned around, but now I'm in the right place. There we are. And thank goodness there's taxis out here because I need to take a taxi back. Hello. I'm having knee surgery, and I'm not sure where I'm supposed to be.
Have you been in contact with
I need. Yeah, I should probably check in. I've been looking at this model of a knee since I was 16 years old. Okay, so just kidding. Thought that I was getting knee surgery today, but I wasn't. I was just meeting with the physiotherapist and the surgeon. The surgeon says my knee is all bad. I got all type of stuff floating around in there, and they're really trying to put me on the priority list because it's getting worse and worse every day. So hopefully I'll have surgery in the next couple weeks, 3 weeks, a month. Fingers crossed. Well, this has been an adventurous day.